We are introducing a couple of new grippers. We have here the 2FG14, which is our new 14 kilo payload collaborative two-finger gripper. Up until now we had the 7 kilo gripper. Now we scaled it up to 14 kilos to be able to handle bigger payloads and bigger workpieces. We have also at the show this year brought the new 3FG25, 3 fingers, 25 kilo payload, very suitable for machine tending applications. And again, it's a scale up of our 3FG15 that we have had in the program for a long time, and that is one of our really fast moving grippers. We are increasing the payloads on the grippers the same way as the robot manufacturers are increasing payload on the cobots. So also at Automate, we are now starting to show what we describe as our total partner solutions. So these are easy to install, easy to deploy solutions that are developed by our partners, but powered by Deploy. So Deploy being our software platform that allows you to fully automate the programming of your robotic application. So developing now different partner solutions. Here we see one with Doosan done by our partner Ellison. And here you see the dual setup for the CNC machine tending. So this is a very good example of how you can now bring Deploy to live and take it to market. And similar to the solution we are showing here, we are also doing solutions for palletizing and solutions for packaging. So Deploy is now sort of being taken to market as the motor of all these new solutions.